how do you craft, how do you build, how do you construct a free greenhouse using pallets, of course. I'm going to show you how to do that, and it starts with choosing the right pallets. Let's get started. I started about a month ago, folks, going around to various businesses, always asking, never taking, to see if they had any pallets. And the owners of various businesses, yes, Mr. Gary, go out back, pick through the pallets and take what you want. And they are free. I want to thank some various businesses now, right off the top, before I get started with this video. The pallets that you see along the front, these right here, these are 36 inches high by 46 inches long. They came from John Talks Home Hardware in Carmenville, Newfoundland. So a big thank you going out to John Talk and his staff for giving me those pallets. The pallets on the other side of this greenhouse, they came from Gander Electrical and Mechanical. They also came from Sun Eating in Gander, and they came from Toyota in Gander. The long ones and the high ones at the back of the greenhouse, those right there, they're 40 inches high, and I think they're 6 feet long. They came from Leon's Furniture in Gander, believe it or not. And the ones along the front, the one toward the Taj Mahal chicken coop, they came from Gander Signs. So I visited lots and lots of businesses and got lots and lots of pallets. As I said, I've always asked. I never went and took. So that's important when you go to these places, that you ask if you can have them. And they've been very, very giving and gave me all of these pallets for free, folks. All I had to do was bring them home, and bring them home in freebie, of course. And as I said, it's very important. It's very important to select the right ones. All of these, as I said, along the front are exactly the same size. They're in great shape. I didn't have to do very much work with them at all. And I made sure that they're all leveled up. And I've used lines and all that kind of stuff. I even used the Pythagorean theorem. Now, what the hell is that? Well, let me explain what the Pythagorean theorem is. If you're familiar with high school mathematics, the Pythagorean theorem is a math formula that you use for squaring up buildings. From this corner right here, I measured out 6 feet. From this same corner, I measured out 8 feet. And then the hypotenuse from the 8-foot mark to the 6-foot mark is supposed to measure 10 feet. And that's what I did to square up my building. Now, I also used lines, and you can see that I've got a line there, an orange one. I got an orange one there facing the cemetery right there. And I think across the back, I've got a green one. And you can see it. And you can see and you can tell that this building, that this greenhouse made from pallets is very, very square. And I've also used my 6-foot level as well, and I've braced my corners. Look at that. So there's a couple of braces there, making sure that it's all square. Now, I've got a ridge beam that got to go the full length of this building. So here you go. I've got two of my hand rafters already crafted and put together up there. So there's a little piece of 2x6 in there now, just holding place, because a very, very long 30-foot ridge beam now has to go the full length of this greenhouse, and I'm going to be using some 6x6 posts to make sure it stays up in the center and all that kind of good stuff. Now, still lots of work to do. I've got lots and lots of more of these rafters to make. I need 15 going down this side and 15 going down the other side, and then I have a large roll of plastic to go on and all that kind of stuff. So still lots and lots of work to get this greenhouse ready for this coming season. Folks, if you want to build a cheap greenhouse, a free greenhouse, if a budget is a concern for you, this is the kind of thing that you can easily do. Go to your local businesses and collect some pallets. A measuring tape there. I must pick that one up. I must have missed that one yesterday. So like I said, go to your local businesses, ask if you can have some pallets, and they'll be more than generous to give them to you. And you can do all kinds of stuff. You can do all kinds of stuff with pallets. I've got lots of pallets. Look, I've got a pile right there. Look. So they'll be used for various projects as well. We've got lots and lots of shelves that we're going to be putting up inside the greenhouse, of course, to keep plants and stuff on. And I'll be using lots and lots of pallets for that. The idea is to build a greenhouse as cheaply, economically, and feasibly as possible without using too much money, too many dollars. You know, Mr. Gary is retired now, so is Miss Betty. So we're on fixed incomes, so we're on pensions. So we just want to be very, very careful and frugal with our money. And we do want to have a nice greenhouse, and I think we will be. We're about a couple of weeks out now, and we'll get this done in short order over the next couple of weeks. This will be the first installment. This will be the first episode. I'll bring to you a couple of more of these episodes on how to construct a greenhouse using pallets. So there you have it. Now, I want to mention those businesses once more because I think it's very, very important that if you're getting support from various businesses, that you should acknowledge them. So let me go through them again. John Talks Home Hardware in Carmenville. I failed to mention, I think, Home Hardware, Hellward's Home Hardware in Gander. They gave me some pallets as well. Gander Electrical and Mechanical in Gander. Sun Eating in Gander. Kent, I even got some pallets over at Kent as well, believe it or not. So I got Kent, Gander Signs, Leon's Furniture, lots and lots of places that I got pallets. And if I failed to mention you, I'm very, very sorry, but I think I mentioned everyone that I used to collect all of these pallets. There you have it, folks. I got my doors crafted, my door openings. These are 4 feet by 80 inches. So large openings for carting in wheelbarrows and all that kind of stuff. I'm very impressed with it. I'm very pleased with it. So stage 1 really is now complete with this greenhouse. What do you think? What do you think? You tell me what you think of this. You reach out to me in the comment section for this video. Let me know if you think it's all right. If you got any questions, I'll try to answer them as best I can. And I'll respond to every single comment. So there you have it, folks. A greenhouse made from pallets.